Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
I've been in Macau for 11 years. I never saw Travessa do Tudum before. But we're gonna check it out, show it to you on the camera. Give you a little idea what it looks like. We're gonna walk down that street briefly, and then we're gonna come through the lane and go around the corner and down that way as well. So stay tuned for Tudum Lane. Travessa de Tudum, and actually I translated the Chinese into English, and it's Bamboo Hat Alley, which is such a cool name. And so anyways, I'm gonna put it on the map so you can see exactly where Tudum Lane is at. And then in this particular video, and you're gonna see that when I do the music part, 75 seconds, and then I do the walk and talk. But in the music part, I'll do a preview. So I'm gonna start up on the street, and it's a little bit of a quiet area up the hill a little bit. And then it comes down the hill, and then we get into all the big immersion of people. So you'll see that in the preview. So anyways, enjoy Bamboo Hat Alley, or Tudum, Travessa de Tudum. And I don't know what Tudum is in Portuguese. I tried to look that up, but the Chinese is Bamboo Hat Alley. Okay.
Oh, Mama Cow, it's been a while without thinking of you, Macau, but the thought makes me smile. Oh, Mama Cow, I really want to see you, Macau. Can you show me, Macau? Mama Cow. Oh, Mama Cow.
Tudum. Tudum or not Tudum? That is the question. So this Tudum goes to this other street called Bala Chao, which is another little lane, and it goes up to a temple up that way. And then basically if you keep going up that way, you get up to Sao Paulo ruins, the backside of it. And this little street goes over towards Filomena's over there. It's like Saint Philomena. And there's also some other little patios in this space. So this whole space is kind of an organic little space of patios, lanes, becos. Cool, you can sit outside there. And we're gonna be going down our Travessa to Tudum, which I think I have never filmed before. I have been in this area before, but sometimes you just don't really see camera malfunction. Still in Tudum, so we're just going down around the corner now. It's kind of cool looking building, this blue building. It's all kind of circular-ish. It's such an unusual building. Okay, so our little Tudum is right there as well. And it's all kind of this interesting space. And check out, there's all these windows. We're gonna see what those windows are all about when we get to the end. So what a very small little alley. Then we're gonna come out into here. And that's where we were just down that little alley right there. So let me just walk down slightly. So that's those buildings that we're just at. But there's a ton of other little alleys. I don't know if I've gone down these alleys either. This little Becco. I've definitely been in here, but I just don't think I've really walked down them to check them all out. That was ours right there. Oh, there's also like Starry Night Bar, Casa de Massagem, and Dormi Boutique Hotel. And then down here you got Hebrews Cafe. Then that goes all the way down into a really busy area. I should probably just take you down that way. Let me just go up slightly. So you can see where we started at. This is like Becco de Porc. So the Beccos are small little patio in here. And then this kind of goes up towards Sao Paulo ruins. Kind of a cool little bike, nice photogenic. So that blue building is where our lane was at, right there. So what we're gonna do, I think, for this particular video, because it's kind of short, we're just gonna walk down the hill and we'll just call it after that one. You got some other little patios and becos that I don't think I filmed either. But yeah, it's kind of interesting space. So that was our little alley right there, which is our focus street. And we're gonna go down and then all the way down some other becos, which I should film as well. But I'm just gonna go down. I'm just gonna show you how this street, how these little patios up at the top of this hill, how they connect to some nice little spaces down here. Santa Filomena, Saint Filomena. Miso. I think some of these have some really cool like coffee shops and just random stuff inside of them. We come out over here. Here.com. Okay, so we're gonna just come out down to this plaza down here. I think this one, I walked down this one, this faca. If you go down that way, there's a nice little thing, yin yang symbol. And then around the corner, there's this really nice coffee shop that has this whole open plaza space for it. It's called Becco de Faca. And then down here, we're gonna get into kind of a tourist area. Halo, I think that's, you got curry. I think Halo's Filipino reference, I think. And now we're going to come into this busy spot. So we're going to end our video there, and then we'll turn the camera back and we'll look back to where we were as well. So the Macau. Okay. So now we're kind of in the thick of it for there you can see how much it changes and how different it feels. Hello. Okay, so let's kind of navigate through here. And so our little space was up that way. Let's try to get back in that space. Okay, this nice, beautiful courtyard everywhere. Then we're gonna move the camera back up. And we were basically up that way. Cocoa popcorn. Macau. We started up there, like that blue building up there. There was like a little hotel right up there, so you can see it in the distance. So that's basically where we were at. So kind of cool. And it leads out into this